Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I do.
Is that why you quit sports announcing? Because of this liquor problem?
Yes, sir, I guess so.
Son, don't guess about it. It's too important.
Yes, sir.
So you quit. How'd that come about? Some disappointment?
I don't know, do you?
I'm asking you. How in hell would I know if you don't? Why is it so damn hard for people to talk?
Well, sir, communication is very different. And between you and me, it just does not happen.
Why are you so restless? Have you got ants in your britches?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Something hasn't happened.
Yeah? What?
The click.
What click?
Click I get in my head that makes me peaceful. I got a drink like it. It's just a mechanical thing. It's something like a switch going off in my head, turning the hot light off and the cool light on. All of a sudden, there's peace.
Why, boy, you're alcoholic.
That's the truth, Big Daddy. I'm alcoholic.
That shows how I let things go.
Well, if you'll excuse me, I just better sit by myself until I get that click in my head.
You got a long time to sit still, boy, and talk to no one. But now you're talking to me. At least I'm talking to you. And you'll sit and listen till I tell you this conversation is over.
But Big Daddy, this talk is just like all the others we've ever had together in our lives. It's nowhere painful, Big Daddy.
All right then. Let it be painful. You're my son, and I'm going to straighten you out. Now that I'm straightened out, I'm going to straighten you out too.
You talk in circles. You say you want to talk to me, but you don't have a thing to say to me.
Nothing to say when I tell you I'm going to live when I thought I was dying.
Oh, that? Is that what you have to say to me?
Well, ain't that important?
Well, you said it. That's it now.
Now you sit back there.
Get me my crutch.
Why do you drink?
I don't know, just get me my crutch.
You better think why you drink or give up drinking.
Big Daddy, I'm in pain. I stepped on that foot.
Good. I'm glad you're not chewing up the liquor in you to feel some pain. I'll tell you what. You tell me why you drink, and I'll hand you. I'll pour myself and hand you.
Why do I drink?
Yeah, why?
I'll tell you in one word.
What word?
Disgust. How about that drink, Big Daddy?
Disgust with what?
You struck a hard bargain, Big Daddy.
You want liquor that bad?
Yeah. I want that bad.
Rick, if I give you this drink, will you tell me what it is you're disgusted with?
Have you ever heard of the word mendacity, Big Daddy?
Don't it mean lying and liars?
Yes, sir. Lying and liars.
What do you know about this mendacity thing? Hell, I would write a book on it. Having to pretend things you don't think, or feel, or have any idea of. Having, for instance, to act like I care for Big Mama. I haven't been able to stand the sight, sound, and smell of that woman for 40 years. I've lived with mendacity. Why can't you live with it? Hell, you've got to live with it. Nothing else except mendacity to live with, is there?
There's something else.
Yeah? What?
This.
That's not living. That's dodging away from life.
I want to dodge away from it, Big Daddy.
Why don't you kill yourself, man?
Because I like to drink.
I can't talk to you.
I'm sorry, Big Daddy.
You know, you started drinking when your friend Skipper died.
What are you suggesting?
I'm suggesting nothing. But man Cooper suggested that there was something not right.
Not right?
Well, not exactly normal in your friendship with Skipper.
They suggested that too? I thought that was Maggie's suggestion. Well, who else is suggesting it?
Now, hold
Are
on
you?
a minute, son.
You think so too.
You
think so too.
take it easy.
You think me and Skipper were a pair of dirty old men, don't you?
Just wait a minute.
This is...
Grab my hand.
I don't want your hand.
Well, I want yours.
Big Daddy, you shocked me. Talking about a thing like that so casual. Don't you know how people feel about a thing like that? How disgusted they are by a thing like that?
I always lived with too much space around me to be infected by the ideas of other people. One thing you can grow in a big place, more important than cotton, is tolerance. And I've grown.
Why can't exceptional friendship, real, deep friendship between two men be respected as something clean and decent without being thought of as fairness?
It can. It is. I told Man Cooper.
To hell with Man Cooper. To hell with dirty lies and lies. Skipper and me had a clean, true thing between us practically all our lives. Now Maggie got that idea you're talking about. Once in a while he would put his hand on my shoulder, or I might put mine on his. Or maybe even when we were playing pro football and sharing hotel rooms, we might reach across the space between us and shake hands goodnight. Yeah, what a
So why did Skipper crack up? Why have you?
All right, Big Daddy. You're asking for it. You're finally going to get that real, true talk that you want. Maggie declares that Skipper and I went to pro football after we left Ole Miss because we were too scared to grow up. That summer, Maggie, she laid down the line. She said, now and then. So I married her. And then I got that injury and I lay in that hospital bed, watched our games on TV. Saw Maggie sit on the bench next to Skipper. It would burn me up the way she hung on his arm. You know, I think Maggie sort of always felt left out. So she took the time to work on poor dumb Skipper, poured in his mind that dirty idea you're talking about. So Skipper went to bed with her to prove it wasn't true. When it didn't work, thought it was true. Skipper broke into like a dirty rotten stick. I'd never seen someone turn so quick into a lust but dive so fast. Now are you satisfied?
Are you satisfied?
With what?
That story. Something's left out.
Yes. I left out a phone call in which I had from Skipper, in which he made a drunken confession to me, in which I hung up. Last time we ever spoke to each other in all our lives.
You must have said something to him.
What could I say to him?
Something. Anything.
Nothing.
Just hung up.
Just hung up.
Now we've tracked down the lie with which you're disgusted and which you're drinking to kill your disgust with. It wasn't Maggie. Maggie, nothing. It was you. You've been passing the buck. You dug the grave of your friend and kicked him in it before you faced the truth with
His
him.
truth, Big Daddy, not mine.
His truth, okay, but you wouldn't face it.
Who can face the truth? Can you, Big Daddy?
Don't start passing the buck.
How about all these birthday congratulations? This many happy returns of the day when everybody but you knows it won't be in.
What did you say?
All hell, Big Daddy.
Frick? lying about the report